Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the puzzle guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Nemo puzzle. This puzzle was made by Siebenstein-Spiele. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10, and the object is to fit all the fish scales back into the frame. But first you have to remove them and mix them, and then you can try to fit them all inside. If you like Nemo puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. So now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. First we have to remove all the fish scales. You have actually to mix them and then try to put them all inside. And what makes this puzzle a little bit more difficult, since the fish scale you can put like this, or you can put it like this, so it's make it a little bit more complicated. But the actual solution is gonna look like this. Pay attention on the shape of the part that I'm using, since the colors may vary, and you may use another part, not the one that you're supposed to use. So first goes this part, then you have to put this big part. Next part that we will have to put, I think it's gonna be this one, and then goes this one. Now we will have to try to find the parts that are gonna fit in here. I think it's not gonna be this one. It's gonna be something different. Maybe this part. This part will go. No, it's not gonna fit in here, since there is gonna be a small gap. I'll try to put this part in here. Probably one of these parts is gonna be right in here. This small part goes right in here, and we have only two parts left. So I think I'm almost solved this puzzle. Okay, that was not very difficult puzzle, as you can see. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Siebenstein-Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!